Yeah. So that's pretty much the summary of PockeTalk. What do you think? Do you have anything to add?
Not on camera.
You can add whatever you want on camera.
You keep saying PockeTalk?
It's PockeTalk. There's no extra T.
It's not PockeTalk.
No.
Oh, I've been saying it wrong. But that's cooler. It's like a Pokemon.
Yeah.
It's like you have a Pokedex, but it's a
PockeTalk. PockeTalk.
Intonation's better.
That's cute.
But it is like a pocket talk. It's kind of like a play on words.
No, I like it that way better.
PockeTalk.
It's just wrong.
PockeTalk. Hello interwebs and welcome back. I'm Shanna and this is why I share my life and stories and adventures and opinions and whatever else I feel like. In today's video we continue the journey with the PockeTalk, comparing this time PockeTalk to Google Translate. I did cut out a lot of the basic translation comparisons because 99% of them were the same in both Google Translate and PockeTalk, and they both did a good job translating them. However, there were a lot of ones that were completely wrong or different, and some things that, well, you'll see. So keep watching, and let's just go ahead and get into it. It does. It's a little bit slow to turn on. Okay, guys. So we are back with Mayuko and Charlotte, and the plan is first. Oops! Don't say anything. I'm going to say something in English into the PockeTalk. Charlotte's going to say the same thing into Google Translate, and then we're going to see which one has the best translation, or if it's the same, or whatever. And let's test that out first. We're going to try and start easy, and then get more and more difficult. All right. So first, let's do something super easy. How are you? Okay.
Okay. Google Translate. How are you?
Same. Yeah, same. I think the intonation was a little bit better on this one, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
PockeTalk has better accents.
Yeah, better accents so far. Okay. What did you do today?
What did you do today?
Same.
Same.
Okay. What time is it?
What time is it? The accents are really different.
Yeah.
今何時ですか?
The kanji's right, though.
Yeah, but
It said the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Okay. What time do you close?
It's quick.
You have an eyelash.
But
Okay. It's correct, but...
But 閉めるの really なんか strong.
what time do you close? Same.
Yeah. Yeah.
いつ閉めるのじゃなくていつなんかいつ
Is it like more like final?
いつ閉まるのいつ閉まりますかいつ閉めますか
Is better.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I love you.
Cute. I love you.
Same. I hate you.
Yes.
I hate you.
Same.
Same.
Off.
Katakana, okay. Off. Ooh, it started.
It blurted out.
Study square. Like an asterisk. I actually said that.
That's funny.
Google censored me. Wait a second. Wait. Q. Anata.
Can I get this, but without meat? No. that's not what I said. Can I get this, but without meat?
私はこれを得ることができますが、肉なしで。
What did it translate?
What did it translate it to, Mayuko?
私はこれを得ることができますが肉なしでこれを得ること It's なんて It's correct
Oh.
in Japanese can I get is 得る same but なんていう
If you were ordering.
Japanese sentence is weird
Okay. Okay.
See what Google has to say.
Let's check Google.
Can I get this, but without meat?
肉なしでこれを手に入れることができますか？
Let's try an idiom. Ready? It's raining cats and dogs.
大雨です。
Okay. Try Google.
It's raining cats and dogs.
大雨です。
Oh, nice. He kicked the bucket.
彼はバケツを蹴った。
What does it mean?
He died.
Really?
Yeah.
This translate is correct
Literal. It's literal.
He
Yeah.
kicked the bucket
Yeah.
彼はバケツ
He kicked the bucket.
彼はバケツを蹴った。
Let's try some slang. What's some good slang?
Ask my mom. It's lit.
点灯している。
It's lightning
Oh. I mean lightning.
It's lit.
Lightning.
点灯している。
Say. Yeah.
Hey Google, did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
ちょっと Google はあなたが天から落ちた時にそれを傷つけましたか？
Let me try. Hey Google, did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
ちょっと Google はあなたが天から落ちた時にそれを傷つけましたか？
It's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. I noticed the other night it was having trouble with long sentences. So maybe we should try some long sentences?
私は先日それがいくつかの長い文章で問題を抱えていたことに気づいたので、多分私たちはいくつかの長い文章を試すべきである。
It's okay.
A little weird but almost
Understandable.
Yeah.
Okay, what about something like longer, like practical? Hi, can you help me please? I can't find my hotel.
こんにちは。あなたは私が私のホテルを見つけることができないでください。私を助けることができます。
That sounds confusing.
That's not correct.
Hi, can you help me please? I can't find my hotel.
こんにちは。あなたは私が私のホテルを見つけることができないでください。私を助けることができます。
Well, that's not good if you can't find your hotel.
Yeah. It seems like while it works better with small sentences.
Right, so when it picked up my voice, it has all the words, but there's no punctuation.
Yeah, there's
in
no
between,
punctuation
so
on
it's
this
reading
either.
it as one sentence.
I can understand but Japanese
It's wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong.
Yeah. Let's try. You use some Japanese,
Okay.
and then we'll see how it translates it.
Japanese.
Yeah, you press the button.
こんにちは。私の名前はまゆこです。
Hello, my name is Mayuko.
Oh.
That's right. Yeah.
昨日道に迷ったけど今日は道に迷いませんでした。
I got lost yesterday, but today I have not get lost.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, that was good. That was good.
Where were you trying to go?
どこに行こうとしていましたか？
ジャパニーズ？近鉄奈良に行こうとして違う電車に乗りました。
I got on a different train trying to go to Kintetsunara.
Oh, it does really good Japanese to English. Yeah.
Whoa.
Try it on Google Translate and see if it does fine too. Oh, battery just died. Yeah.
Can you say the same thing?
近鉄奈良に行こうとして
One more time. One more time.
近鉄奈良に行こうとして間違った電車に乗りました。
I got on the wrong train trying to go to Kintetsu Nara.
すごい。
Okay, so Google does a good job with it too.
なんで？
Google's voice is a little weirder.
Yeah.
It is.
But it does it much faster. There's that lag with the PockeTalk. That
Yeah. But if you don't have internet where you're at on your phone, this will work.
True.
So.
Hey, can you help me? How can I get to the airport from here?
こんにちは。私がここから空港にアクセスする方法を私に手伝ってくれる。
Again.
Yeah, again.
I wonder if I say the punctuation, if it would include it.
I don't know.
That's annoying, but hang on. Can you help me? Question mark. How do I get to the airport from here?
手伝っていただけますか？ここから空港への行き方を教えてください。
Okay. So you have to actually say the punctuation and physically separate your sentences if you're doing something wrong.
I wonder if that works on here. I can't check right now though. We're charging. Can you help me? Question mark. How do I get to the airport from here? Question mark. Oh, yeah. It added the punctuation.
手伝っていただけますか？ここから空港への行き方を教えてください。
Okay. Mystery solved. If you add the punctuation, it does a better job. You guys do. I love you guys. I love you guys so much.
Also, if you're a first-time traveler thinking about using the PockeTalk, you should simplify your questions in using the most simple vocabulary possible.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's the same with Google Translate. Like, you need to use simple vocabulary. And even one of my biggest pet peeves is when I see people who travel here and they're clearly like foreigners on vacation and they use big, long, complicated sentences with the Japanese staff at places who maybe they do speak English, but most of the time they don't. And so then it's just even more confusing than if they had simplified the sentence.
Especially if you're talking to a real person, but also if you're talking to a tiny robot on your phone.
Yeah.
Do it in as simple terms as possible. It'll help you and everyone.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. So, what we learned. Let's summarize. Alright. PockeTalk definitely works, and it seems to have a lot of the same translations as Google Translate. Neither of them work well with a lot of background noise. But the benefit to PockeTalk is that it does work in over 100 countries without its own, like, Wi-Fi, or without having to have some sort of, like, cell service, because it has its own SIM.
Right, which as a traveler has limited me from using Google Translate before.
Right. So it has that huge major benefit. But if you are going to be living in one place, maybe not traveling as much, you're going to have a cell service. I think Google Translate does just as good a job. But you're still going to have trouble either way because it doesn't always translate things correctly. So that's why it's good to practice the language for where you're living.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess it kind of comes down to what sort of trip you're going on.
Yeah.
Or what situation you would use it for.
Yeah, yeah. So if you're traveling a lot, it's something that I would probably recommend.
If you were going backpacking.
Yeah!
To a lot of different countries without cell phone service.
Yes.
That
would be really beneficial.
Yeah.
Yeah. This girl is going backpacking to a lot of different countries without cell phone service. So.
Don't try to call me.
If you want to go follow her channel, by the way, you can see some of that over there. And you can find Mayuko on Instagram, and you can see more of her beautiful face, because she is beautiful and perfect, and we love her. And... Alright, well, this may have been a little bit disorganized here at the end, but I hope you got the point across, and I hope you guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, future Shanna coming here. Hello. Also, leave a blue emoji down there if you're here. Lets me know you're here. Lets me know you liked this. And it also helps with the algorithm. So, do that. Okay, back to past Shanna. Bye! Yeah, that's what I learned to say.
Yeah.
The foreigners are in agreement.
All the foreigners agree that we would say.
Yes. 2 out of 2 foreigners rate this phrase as helpful.